Switching to LED headlights from halogen lights is an upgrade that you would want to consider. LED headlights offer better performance and a far longer lifespan. Although buying the best LED headlights seems more expensive in the beginning, they offer a higher value for money in the long run, which makes it worthwhile. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best LED headlights. So let's get started. Number 5. BEAMTECH LED Headlights. BEAMTECH H13 is the best LED headlight if you are on a budget, but you want an option that produces high light output. BEAMTECH H13 LED headlight CSP LED chips, double-sided, produce 8,000 lumens light output per set that allows you to have a clear vision even on the foggiest and dark lighting conditions. What I love about these best LED headlights is their passive cooling feature that ensures efficient cooling with no sound and no compromise on light output performance. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. HIKARI Ultra LED Headlight Bulbs. HIKARI claims that this LED headlight is the best LED headlight bulbs on the market. Do I agree? Yes, for sure. I have never had any complaints with HIKARI Ultra LED headlight. I have been testing these LED headlights for several months now, and I must admit that I'm thoroughly impressed by its outstanding performance. The uniform beam pattern and the bright 12,000 lumens light output allows you to clearly see the road and road signs without blinding the opposite traffic. HIKARI Ultra LED headlight uses impressively less power, only 23 watts each LED headlight, for the massive 12,000 lumens light output that it produces. So, you can enjoy this super bright LED headlight without worrying about its power consumption. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. COUGAR Motor LED Headlight. It wouldn't be incorrect to claim that COUGAR Motor LED Headlight is hands down the most popular LED headlights kit. COUGAR Motor LED headlight was also amongst the only headlight kits that first gave halogen light kits a fierce competition. For its superior and reliable performance, I have used COUGAR Motor LED headlight for years. And whenever someone asks me to recommend them the best LED headlight, COUGAR Motor LED headlight is always my top pick. However, with years, I believe that technology has evolved, and now you can find similar features for a lesser price. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. AUXBEAM H11 LED Headlight F16 Series. AUXBEAM H11 LED Headlight F16 Series is my ultimate favorite single beam headlights. The biggest reason why I love this automotive LED headlight is that it produces a bright enough light beam that allows you to clearly see the road and road signs even on dimly lit and foggy days. Even if you are not using the AUXBEAM F16 series as headlights, I highly recommend it like fog lights. The bright 6000K provides adequate light without stunning the passing drivers. AUXBEAM H11 LED headlight is IP68 waterproof and dustproof, and it is equipped with a built-in turbo fan, so it is an excellent option for harsh outdoor environments. Although AUXBEAM H11 LED Headlight F16 series is a pricey option, however, it comes with a fantastic 2-year warranty, so you can trust the product and justify the price. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Sealight S1 LED Headlight. There are times when you are on a strict budget that doesn't allow you to splurge on car accessories. If you are in such a situation, then you should go for C-Light S1 LED headlight. I have tried and tested the C-Light S1 LED headlight for months, and it has never failed me. It is easy to install, offers excellent color temperature, the lifespan is decent, it has an ideal beam density, it includes a reliable cooling system, and most importantly it comes with a small price tag. If you are looking for the LED headlights, the C-Light S1 LED headlight offers superior performance than most of my pricey LED headlight kits. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best LED headlights just for you.